guys, I'm Mariam. I'm back with my next video on this YouTube channel Learning Videos. As you all know that this is my first video after 1 year break, but from now onwards I'm going to be super active on my both channels. If you guys don't know about my second channel, then the link is in the description. So today's topic is about AI discovery which can replace your eyes. Nowadays, almost everyone face a problem that is maintaining eye contact during a meeting, on WebEx, Zoom, or on YouTube. But today, I'm going to tell you the solution. And the solution to the problem is RTX eye contact. This is a new feature which uses artificial intelligence to stimulate your eyes as if you are looking straight at the camera. When you're distracted, the AI powered feature will instantly edit your video in real time to make you appear to be staring straight at the camera. Here are some easy steps that you can follow to enable this feature. So step 1 is search RTX eye contact on Google. After downloading the app, there will be an option of effects. Tap on it and choose the effect eye contact beta. And the moment you will switch on the effect, your eyes will be replaced. For example, right now this boy is looking at the right, but in the camera it is showing straight as if the person is speaking in front of the camera. Please subscribe to my channel Learning Videos and press the notification bell. I will be uploading more videos. So till then, bye.